crazy night. Hey, okay, so you're probably wondering, what was that? Long story short, the M3 is dead, kind of, not really. Yeah, I'll just show you guys. So this is what's currently left of my engine bay. As you can see, the radiator I just installed, catch can, everything, back to square one. So I'm gonna update you guys real quick. I've been gone for quite a little bit. Liam took over in the last video. I hope you all like that. I've basically been in Colorado with my family on a little vacation, and I wasn't able to film or do any videos for you guys. Come back, did a little hooning. Ran around a little bit, and my dad, Liam, and I wanted to go on a sweet drive in this new spot. I can't wait to show you guys on film soon. Little did I expect this to happen. So how did my cooling go from perfectly installed to in my driveway? Well, literally all of it stems from the top of my fan shroud, and I know the problem and I know why it went bad, which is why it's so frustrating. Basically, if the piece was still intact, you would see a sort of clip here that clips the shroud to the radiator itself. That one plastic clip was broken, so there was a little play kind of in the fan shroud itself. It was literally this top one, the one that goes right here. There's a little bit of play, and I must have hit a bump or hit a corner or jerked the car or something like that, and my clutch fan decided to give it the little smackaroony, completely shit itself, destroying everything else that I just worked for and installed, which sucks. Not to mention, another thing happened that night, and the 944 hit a deer. Before you think, oh shit, the whole thing's destroyed, we got lucky. It's not that bad. It's one fog light. It was like a little Bambi, just hopped out of nowhere. It was getting dark, you know, they're probably moving around and stuff. That was a very, very expensive trip. The new fog light's gonna be about $350. So, not the best scenario. These old Porsches are really expensive, but we'll get it back on its feet. I got a lot of big things planned coming up. It is unfortunate that the car decided to crap itself, but it's good because I have more content for you guys. I actually just contacted Mishimoto through their website and got a cool discount through them for some new parts, fixing all the cooling and getting all that squared away. I also got two new things coming in the mail, probably around middle to end of this month, for the E36, and then the IS300 Liam's build has a ton of things happening soon. So all you IS300 fans out there, you better stay tuned for what's coming next. I have a ton of new ideas for y'all after being on vacation, and I just can't wait to entertain y'all and keep you guys busy and give you guys something to watch during this quarantine. One day she shall drive again. I don't know if I'm gonna do like a full install on that video because I kind of did the last one. If you guys want like an in-depth coolant, Mishimoto electric fan, radiator, crazy install video that's in-depth, let me know in the comments. If you want to just see a fun vlog with me and my friends messing around and kind of just hanging with us, let me know as well. I'll also be doing a comparison between the S54 radiator and a Mishimoto aluminum one. For any of you guys who are wondering if buying the aluminum one is really worth the money opposed to saving some money and doing the E46 Z3M upgrade. All in all, without spoiling anything big, that's about it. I really just wanted to do a quick update because I haven't been on the channel in a second, and I wanted to make sure that the ball's still rolling. And I just wanted to explain what happened to my car because a lot of you on my Instagram were like, bro, what happened? Why is it on a tow truck? What happened? What's going on? She's fine, nothing major, it's all fixable. In the end, it'll all be okay. So yeah, just all in all, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next videos, they're gonna be nuts, and peace out.